Somewhere between Queenstown and Tianao, we spotted adorable sheep, towering mountains, and some forests as we sung along to classics on the radio. After checking into Eglinton Camp, we chatted with the receptionist, and she was a lovely lady who told us that if we liked hiking, we would enjoy the local walk to Knob's Flat Waterfall. The hike starts from Eglinton Camp, so you can drive there and park and begin your walk from there. And it's not a long walk, but it is a bit of a tricky walk in that some sections aren't marked so clearly, and the path is not stable. It is quite wooded, so you can expect to be hopping over vines, tree roots and logs, not to mention all the water crossings. So she said to follow those little orange. Cool.
You go?
Let me go first. I better put this away.
At least not in real life.
What do you mean not in real life? Have you seen it somewhere else? Oh, video games? Oh, yeah. This feels very Lord of the Rings.
It does. Very much more than like it.
You just have to constantly think about where to put your feet.
Well, I bought some hiking pants.
Yeah, they've served you well. Wow, look at all this spongy stuff.
Have you touched this? Or is it...
Yeah.
Wow.
Isn't it beautiful? I like that they've put these little cuts into the logs for us.
Yeah, oh, there's a triangle.
There she is! Looks slippery. Oh gosh.
Yeah. I'm just going to go down backwards. So I get it underneath this as well.
Yeah, looks like that's a good idea, and there's things to hold on to. That was a scramble and a half, and now we're climbing into this jungle.
Is it raining?
Yeah.
Is it because we're so close to the water?
I think it's actually raining. You okay?
Oh, I just got dirt all over me. In my clothes.
Yeah, this is the wildest trek we've ever done. And it's raining.
Yeah.
Yay!
That water is freezing.
It is freezing. Like pristine. You okay with these?
Oh, I just got my
We can wash it.
feet dirty, that's all.
We can wash it when we get home.
It's just mud.
Waterfall was a delightful surprise on our journey and the perfect way to spend our afternoon at Eglinton Valley. We had time for one more adventure before the light faded, and so we made our way to Mirror Lakes to watch the sun go down. Hello, what are you? With such a rainy day, it wasn't the sunset I had hoped for. It was a stunning spot to immerse ourselves in nature before our big day ahead in Milford Sound.